Molly Miller with Country Road Crafts, and today I am going to show you how to fix an issue that I did last time we did a live. So, last time we were live, I created this, and this bed should be on top of the red, not on the red, so I messed this up. So I'm going to show you how to scrape it off, and then you can reuse the board and redo it. So, is that you watching me?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Well, it's only one. Just going to scratch it off. I just got a little scraper. Just going to scratch it off. And this has been on for about a week since I did it last. I didn't touch it. My cameraman informed me while I was doing it, it was wrong, but I didn't pay attention as usual. So I'm going to fix it. The little stuff off, and I'm gonna get the big stuff off. So I have a board cleaner. I'm gonna wet it. I'm just gonna scrub it. Just wipe it off. Gonna look yucky for a minute, and then after you get it all off, it'll be good. And Blue is wanting attention, so she is making noise to Frank. So that's the noise. She's being needy right now. That's okay. I'm actually going to come over and visit us. Well, she don't step over the camera work it. No, what is that? Oh.
Look, get her.
Sometimes I have to take wipes to get it because it's red and it's really red. So, if you just joined us, I am cleaning up a mess that I made last week. I did an oopsie on the truck. I did the bed on the truck instead of on top of the truck, where it should have been. So I'm just gonna, it's just easy if you make a mistake to clean it up. I'm just gonna wipe it up. She's fine. Take it all down. And then you can just start all over again and put another stencil on it and redo the same stencil or do a new stencil on it. But that's how you clean a board. And if you want to do seasonal stuff, you can do one seasonal thing, and next season you don't want that, so you can clean it off and redo a new stencil, and then you have the same thing. So I redid it and then decided I didn't want to do the bed of the truck, and I actually had some pumpkins in another stencil set, so I mixed the stencils. So it said Country Road Take Me Home on the other one, and the truck, and then the truck bed on the top there. But I found this pumpkins in another stencil set by another company, so I just added it to it, and I wrote out crafts because You know, our name is Country Road Crash, trying to be slick.
So you look sure.
She looks what? Oh, my apron. Yes, my apron. Try to keep my clothes clean. No paint on these yet. But we'll see how long that happens. I am going to create a happy birthday. Yesterday was my brother's birthday. I didn't do anything for my brother's birthday. So I'm going to do a happy birthday. And it's easy. I'm just going to put some paste on there. And we're just going to do a quick stencil. For a quick birthday present, I didn't forget it. It's just, I didn't do anything. But if you forget it, and I'm just going to mix some colors around. Oh, I was sad yesterday. I didn't do much anything. And then I got a headache because I was sad and upset. But it's life. But I'm going to do my happy birthday sign today. My brother was killed in 2002 by a drunk driver when he was 16. And it's still, even though he's 35, he would be 35 now, it's still hard to go. Birthdays and then the day he passed is really hard too. Don't drink and drive. That's a bad thing. He was hit coming home from work, so it is what it is, and we're just gonna move on. I'm gonna do some different colors, some blues, some greens. Gonna wipe off my little spatula I have here to dip out the colors. And this is just a little board I had laying around. It's a little chalkboard type thing laying around. And the little stencil just fits right on top of it. So I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Just covering it in different colors, making it pretty. Trying to mix it up a little bit and get some colors everywhere. So if you forget a friend's birthday, or you like Facebook reminds me a lot of birthdays because I can't remember birthdays. But when Facebook pops up in the mornings, sometimes that I do happy birthday, then maybe, you know, you can do it real quick and go, oh yeah, remember your birthday. Because I don't remember them. I found some pink for Delia. Delia loves pink. Delia's my daughter. I'll put some yellow on here. I'm using a wipey to wipe it off because I pulled a bunch out of the thing earlier. And some yellow for some brightness. Just gonna blend it in there. Some different colors. Make it big, bright. Some yellow maybe. Okay, now I'm gonna take the big, one more yellow. This
Hunter's watching.
Hunter! My son is watching. He just had a birthday last Sunday. He turned 22.
One of my lieutenants is watching.
So I'm going to take this and make it all multicolor. So I'm taking my scraper now and I'm just going to scrape across it and try to get all the colors blended across all of the open spaces in the, get that cake done down there. Okay, I didn't get it on there good enough, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. It ain't going to hurt. Just trying to cover some spots that are open. Try not to mix the colors because I'll go crazy with different colors in the wrong thing. You guys can see that. There's some stuff up here that I've missed, so I'm going to grab and try to pull it up. I go to Bunko in the neighborhood and I give some samples out to the ladies, and one of the daughters were there and she did the stencils and said that she loved it. And so they're kid friendly too, so if you run out of things for your kids to do, these are sweet and easy, and they clean up good and they don't stain your clothes. Okay, I got it all covered. Just gonna pull it off and get a hold of it. It's gonna be psychedelic. Look at that. Beautiful birthday present. And it didn't take but 3 minutes maybe. So, quick and easy birthday present. Stencil, you'll go and wash it. And I have put together some sample kits or take-home kits. So if you want to try it out without getting a big, stencil and ink and all that, I have take-home craft kits in the stores. I have some at Twice as Nice and some at the Foundry, and they are a stencil and they are a sample paste. It's just a little one. Well, they say one time, but I probably take 2 or 3 out of this because there's a good bit in there. It's going to come with a little spatula type thing to help you spread it on there. Comes some rules, or some not rules, but directions on how to do it. My business card if you have any questions. And I'm going to give you guys a surface so you guys can put it on there. If you have questions, give me a call. If you would like to try it, let me know. If you're not local, I can mail them to you guys. Just comment, and be sure to like, share, and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram and on YouTube. I'm going to post this on YouTube so you guys can replay it. Thanks, and have a great day.